Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well, and welcome back to another monthly favourites. July has flown by, although the weather has been completely miserable. I'm hoping the summer is coming back in August, but nevertheless I have some amazing skincare favourites that I wanted to share with you guys, and these are my most used skincare products and of course favourites of July. I wanted to do this a little bit different this month and share how I incorporate them both in my AM and PM skincare routines, just so you can see how I like to use them. I hope you find this helpful, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any of the same skincare favourites, and let's get right into the video. Let's start off with my AM skincare routine, and my first favourite, the Senka Perfect Whip Collagen Cleanser. This is a well-known popular Japanese brand, and it's also a sub-brand of Shiseido. It has a beautiful whipped cream consistency, hence the name, and the things I really love about this is it doesn't feel stripping, and it really helps to clean the face efficiently. I love using this with my cleansing device, and it's the perfect AM cleanser to help my skin feel fresh and clean, plus it's very affordable too. After I've cleansed, I always like to apply a face mist, and this helps prepare my skin for my next favourite, which is the Lancome Serum HCF Triple Serum. This is a unique formula that pumps out a cream, gel and serum, and then when mixed together it helps to hydrate, minimize fine lines and brighten. I really like this formula because it feels lovely on the skin, and it also contains hyaluronic and ferulic acid as well as niacinamide, and I always think my skin looks revived, hydrated and just glowing afterwards. To lock everything in the AM, this Biore new Centella cream has been wonderful to use, especially when we have had the warm and humid weather, because it helps to reduce redness and calm inflammation thanks to the key Centella ingredient. It's very hydrating and it doesn't irritate my skin. Plus, this would be a wonderful cream to pack in your holiday bag. SPF wise, I have had two firm favourites this month, including the iconic Biore UV Light Up Essence. This is an SPF 50, and Biore is one of my favourite go-tos for Japanese sunscreens because they know how to do them so well. This one I adore because it not only protects and hydrates, but it also gives you the most stunning lit from within glow, which is wonderful on makeup free days. The other SPF is a KBT favourite from Tokubo. This SPF 50 contains hyaluronic acid, and it has a gorgeous lightweight serum lotion consistency that sinks in straight away, hydrates and protects. This also is great if you don't like too many steps within your morning routine, as it works as the perfect moisturiser and SPF hybrid. Moving on to my PM skincare routine, and Beauty Bay's own brand Chamomile and Oat Lipid Cleansing Balm is incredible at melting away makeup super quickly. Plus it's very gentle, especially around the eye area. This has been a firm favourite that helps my skin feel clean, nourished and moisturised, thanks to its ceramide rich oat lipid and soothing chamomile formula. Another cleanser favourite has been the Inky Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. This has been a go-to both in the AM and as my second cleanse in the PM, so much so that when I went to demo it, it was empty. So this is a really gentle gel cleanser that helps to exfoliate and remove makeup and also brighten the complexion, and it always just helps my skin feel really clean, fresh and ready for my next product application. After cleansing, I always love to swipe a toner over my face to really ensure my skin is fully clean before applying my serum step. And this month's favourite has definitely been the Burrito Oat in Silky Toner. It's a great gentle option for anyone with sensitive or dry skin. I like to swipe it all over the face with a cotton pad to reveal clean, replenished and just hydrated skin. You can also use my code SHOPLauraE for 10% off any of the KBT and JBeauty products mentioned at starvana.com. Which brings me on to my next step, which is this Paulas Choice Duo that I've been loving. I first used the retinol and bakuchiol treatment. This has the perfect mix of 0.3% retinol and 2% bakuchiol, which actually makes it feel surprisingly gentle on my skin thanks to the bakuchiol balancing the treatment out. I love the consistency of this, and it overall maintains my skin's appearance and helps to keep those fine lines at bay. Now the ceramide enriched firming eye cream from Paulas Choice really complements the serum well. I really enjoy using these two together to again combat fine lines and improve the skin's texture and tone. It's also a lovely lightweight cream consistency, which I particularly love to apply in the PM, as I do prefer a richer eye cream in the evening and a more hydrating one in the AM. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you love everything as well that's skincare, self-care and lifestyle related, I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.